Hello, if you're wondering if you can install a GCam on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, then let me quickly check that for you. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna install an app that is called GCam. There we go. This is the app that we want to install. It is for free, and with this app we can check if there is actually GCam available for this device. So let's take a look. We need to of course download and install it. And now let's open it. We don't really need to allow notifications, so we can skip that. And now over here we can see that the camera to API module is enabled. However, the GCam for this specific device is not found. It was not tested yet, so we can request the GCam in order to try to get it in the future. We can also press get a GCam for similar device, and let's see if we can actually get one. And unfortunately the answer is no. However, we can also switch at the bottom to this page here, and we can try to search for something similar. So we're gonna type Motorola, let's type Edge, and there we go. So we have for Edge 30 Ultra. Let's take a look, let's unfold, and over here we have the GCam version 8.1 and the Android version 9.0. So I believe this is a little bit too old. You should definitely check for an Android version that is, let's say, 12 at least. And of course sometimes it is not possible to find, but let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Now in this case I have Android 10.0, GCam is 8.4, so we can start downloading. Now you will of course see the ad, so we can close it, and we need to wait a little bit to download the app. And since we are downloading a different version, I mean for a different device, then of course this is not guaranteed that it will work. We might encounter various different bugs, something might not work, we might see crashes, and I'm gonna download this version and see if we can make it work. Alright, after that we're gonna press install and we'll check if we can actually install the app. If that doesn't work, we need to go to open in folder. We're gonna choose files by Google, and let's see if this helps. Now since nothing happens, I'm gonna go through the notification, and there we go. Now we need to go to settings in order to allow the app to use to install unknown apps. There we go. So now we are installing the GCam, and let's open it. Let's see if it works. If nothing happens, then we're gonna try one more time. There we go. So we're gonna allow those permissions or requests. We can see some links, and there we go. As you can see, we have the GCam, and we can try to switch to a different mode. There we go. We can find some different modes as well. Let's actually take a photo. We will allow notifications, and it seems to be working pretty fine, so you can try this version by yourself. Of course in the future there might be an update in the app, there might be a newer version that you can try, and let me know in the comments if you actually decide to use it, and share your thoughts about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.